try to make every effort to include the latest scientific studies. Please note though that research is constantly changing and one clinical trial cannot always cover diverse bodies and communities. Individual responses to foods and treatments may vary based on a variety of factors, including genetics, environment, diet, and other lifestyle factors. Even solid clinical trials and studies tend to have an agenda or underlying bias, and despite the best intentions and efforts of researchers, the scope and purpose of scientific research will always be somewhat limited by factors such as funding, ethics, and logistical constraints. Relying on a single expert or source can be risky, as errors and biases can occur. It's best to verify information from multiple sources before accepting it at face value. Engage in due diligence and critical thinking to ensure that you are making informed decisions. If you wish to deep dive into the topic, you can check out my references posted in the description box below.
According to a study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology in 2012, emu oil comprises approximately 42% oleic acid, 21% linoleic acid, 21% palmitic acid, and 1% linolenic acid. Emu oil also contains variable levels of compounds including carotenoids, flavones, polyphenols, tocopherol, and phospholipids in the non-triglyceride fraction, which may confer therapeutic benefits including antioxidant properties. Emu oil is a type of oil that comes from the fat of the emu bird, which is native to Australia. The oil is extracted from the fat of the bird and is used for a variety of purposes, such as in skincare products, hair products, and even for some medicinal purposes. A pilot double-blind study published in the Australasian Journal of Dermatology in 1996 found that emu oil was subjectively more moisturizing and penetrating than a popular mineral oil cosmetic base. However, the study was small, with only 11 participants, so more large-scale human trials are needed to confirm the findings.
By the way, before I continue, if you're new here, I'm Jera from the Philippines. Welcome to my channel where I share my knowledge and discoveries about everything related to anti-aging, natural health remedies, dogs and cats, and personal development gained from reading research articles, scientific journals, and books written by doctors and experts. If you also have a gluttonous appetite for new knowledge, please consider subscribing and turning on the notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I upload new content. Also, you might want to check out my mini ebook, 40 Wrinkle Fighters Other Than Retinol, backed by scientific studies. Just click the link in the description box below for more details.
Moving on, a study published in the U.S. National Library of Medicine in 2016 investigated the use of an emu oil-based cream on the areola skin of 70 breastfeeding mothers soon after giving birth. The areola is the dark-colored circular area around the nipple on the breast. The cream was found to effectively improve the hydration of the stratum corneum in the breast areola without affecting the skin's pH, temperature, or elasticity. The improvement in hydration was most significant in women with lower baseline hydration levels. Further studies are needed to confirm the long-term benefits of the emu oil-based cream in this very sensitive patient population. Overall, the study suggests that emu oil-based cream may be useful in preventing areola skin barrier damage and improving breastfeeding success. Another study published in 2017 investigated the effects of topical emu oil-based moisturizer on the skin barrier of 31 full-term newborns. The study found that a single application of the moisturizer was effective in improving the hydration, pH, and elasticity of the stratum corneum in the heel of the newborns without any effect on temperature. The results indicate that emu oil-based lotion has the potential to be beneficial in preventing skin barrier damage in newborns during the transition from the womb to the outside world. Newborns have delicate skin, and any interventions or treatments should be thoroughly evaluated to ensure they do not cause harm or adverse effects. More research is needed to ensure that the benefits outweigh any potential risks or side effects. Emu oil may also help with seborrheic dermatitis. A clinical trial involving 126 participants showed that applying 20% emu oil twice daily for 1 month reduced the redness, itching, and scales associated with seborrheic dermatitis. However, hydrocortisone was a more effective treatment option in comparison. Emu oil may also increase the absorption of drugs and nutrients. A 2017 study investigated the skin penetration enhancing effect of emu oil using infrared microscopy. The study found that emu oil penetrated about 270 micrometers depth of the skin surface. They also looked at how the emu oil interacted with the proteins in the skin and found that it caused a change in the way the proteins were structured. Moreover, a 2016 study looked at the safety and effectiveness of a gel made of nicardipine, superoxide dismutase, and emu oil for treating Peyronie's disease, which causes painful penile curvature. In a double-blind, placebo-controlled study of 22 patients, the gel showed significant improvement in all Peyronie's disease parameters after 6 months, while the placebo group showed no significant improvement except for stretched penile length. Patients who switched from placebo to the gel also showed significant improvement. The treatment was well tolerated, with only a self-limited rash reported in 3 patients. Emu oil served as a carrier for the active compounds. While further research is needed to confirm the potential skin health promoting effects of emu oil, to sum up, emu oil is possibly effective for skin health. What I've been using is Levin Rose Emu Oil. How I use it is I mix it with my other 2 favorite oils, Now Foods Rosehip Seed Oil and Argan Oil, in a ratio of 1% emu oil, 49% rosehip seed oil, and 50% argan oil. The reason for this ratio is based on a cell-based study, which showed that solutions with less than 2% emu oil promoted skin cell growth, while concentrations of more than 2% emu oil can cause a reduction in skin cell growth. However, cell-based studies are experiments that use cells or cell lines that are grown in a lab under controlled conditions. While they can be useful in providing insights into cellular behavior, they may not always accurately reflect what happens in a living human body. Links to the oils are in the description box below. If you'd like to try them out, use my discount code APT0317 at checkout to save up to 10%. The best part is, this discount code doesn't expire, so you can cash in on it anytime you shop on iherb.com. Don't forget to do a patch test first. Just apply a small amount of the mixture on your inner arm and leave it on for 24 to 48 hours to see if you experience any redness, itching, or swelling.
If you've learned something you didn't know before watching this presentation and you appreciate the time I invested in researching, writing, and creating this presentation, please give this video a like. If you're interested in looking and feeling your best and exploring natural solutions, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!